This video will explain installing your four main accessories: mirrors, phone holder, cup holder, and your fat pack. Begin by removing your mirrors from the box. Twist the locking nuts all the way to the top and place them on the mirror mount located on top of the handlebars, twisting in a clockwise motion until it is parallel to the handlebar itself. Once it is all the way down, lift up the dust cover and twist the locking nut back down to the base. Use a 15mm wrench to tighten both locking nuts. Begin installing your phone holder by placing the bushing through the clasp and over the left side of the handlebar. Tighten your phone holder with the 4mm bolt supplied using the 4mm Allen. To install your cup holder, begin by placing Loctite on the supplied hardware. Line up the cup holder to the gooseneck below the handlebars and tighten using a 4mm Allen. To begin installing your fat pack, place over the front of your handlebars at the top. Use the 4 straps on the backside to wrap around the handlebars, including the brake cables. Opening your fat pack will reveal several pockets for easy storage